ways to tune into your music with Spotify Premium. Smart Shuffle adds recommendations into your playlist to show you new sounds. Or you can make music a shared experience when you host a jam, where you and your friends can add songs and listen in together. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, guys. It's good to be back. It's good to be back on the chat. Good to be back, guys. I'm super excited to be back. Let's just kick the stream started immediately. Like there's no time. Let's just kick it started immediately. So we can see that today we actually have a red folder news on Chef, which is CPI, and we also have which has already played out already, and we also have a bank holiday on card. So let's look at the entire week. Let's see. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We have a USD news by 3 p.m. Which is PMI. Then we have an unemployment claim. This is basically what we have this week. This is what we have this week. And mind you, I'll be streaming New York as well this week. I'll be streaming both NY and London, like New York and London section. So that's two sections I'm trading. But I won't be consistent with New York section, but just know that I'm going to be streaming New York this week. So that's something you should watch out for. I will be streaming a lot of New York streams. So that's it. So let's go back to our chart. And this is a good chart. Let's break it down. Let's just break it down quickly. Let's break it down quickly. So let's go. Let's move everything. Let's go to the daily time frame. Well, better still, since this is the start of a new week, let's start with the weekly time frame. Let's check out previous week ended. So the previous week was strong bull. Price came down to this level, we tested this level, and jetted off this level. If I go to the daily, you see that this was actually a very strong area the price jetted from. So the problem is that I'm not sure of something on gold. So let me bring out another pair. I want to observe some things. Okay, this is a forest. Okay, let me check. Sorry, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Just 1 second. Okay, here we go. So this is what I can see on both. So both have tested this level of support. So you have a support here, and you can see price is pushing upward, and you can see the weekly also end above this level of support. But the problem here, this previous candle has little to no top pick. You can see that it barely has a top pick in this candle, and you can see how the whole structure is forming. So that is something that I'm being mindful of. So you can see it. So let's go back to our daily time frame. Let's drop that to the daily so you can see this structure I spoke about. So you can see now this level, this strong level of this support that was down here. You can see how it held strongly and price came down. The previous day it tested the level and it pushed up. You can even see the daily time frame that I analyzed that I put down here. You can see that price retested it as well. This is retest, but I'm not going to back the daily flip. So once you see candle flipping is above this daily high, you can see probably anticipate a bullish momentum for price keep pushing the upside. And you can see that price goes above all this level. You can see the bullish trade above all this level. So this is what I'm not looking for. This is what we are looking for. Like this is what we're anticipating for price to do. And you guys know that the way we trade is something like this. We should be looking for buy stock above the daily highs for price to flip up and continue pushing up. And we should have a clean reach to the very top, which is about um, extra 600 to the upside. So let's mark up the hour highs as well or the daily time frame. And let's get down to the 4 hour time frame. Let's look at what price is doing in the 4 hours. So in the 4 hours is bullish. Price is gradually pushing up on the 4 hours, but we also have a 4 hour resistance just above here. I will have a level which price gave us no top week before pushing to the downside. You can see this particular candle. So that's the level we're looking at. And to measure my range, that is around 75 pips, so which is good. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, I can see that this is what price is doing on the 1 hour, so I can adjust this a bit. If I go to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see this was price doing. So I can just adjust this. I'm looking for sales. If I any opportunity for sales should be below this level here, and buy should be above. So let me see my range. Do I have a range here? You have a range here. I have about 55, 60 people. So I'm looking for buys above this level and sales below. So this is what I'm working with right now. So this is my buys above. I want for bullish buys above this level and sells below. Although the momentum is very bullish, so let's see what we can do. Better still, the cleaner buys, cleaner sales will be below the structure because we have this clean range where price moved from yesterday. So if we're looking for sales below here, obviously it should not be London section because I don't think London section will drive. This is about 100 people already. So if price move 100 people, I don't think I even want to bother placing the trade already. Even now, price has already moved close to 100 people to the upside. These are already 70 people already. So let's just wait. London Open starts in 9 minutes or 8 minutes. So let's see how the candle close in the next 8 minutes and let's see what's next. I have let's execute the next candle. So that's what I'm saying on go. So let's just drop down to GJ and let's see what GJ is doing currently. So GJ, I've marked up GJ before, but I'm going to just do a quick breakdown again and we'll work our way from there. So let's go over to the same weekly time frame on GJ. Let's go to the weekly time frame on GJ and let's see what's the weekly again. So the weekly is bearish. The weekly on GJ is bearish. You can see the bearish candle. You can see how the bearish candle is on GJ. We have like a bearish momentum to the downside on GJ. You can see the candle on GJ. One second, guys. Okay. GJ not so clear. Not clear. So let's look for. Let's see if one is clear. Okay. You can see GJ now. You can see that GJ has a bearish momentum on the weekly time frame, and it has like a support level where price is dressing off from there. So, but we have like a bullish sentiment, and price actually goes back into the range with this particular candle. But this is where price is coming through. So if I scale down to my daily time frame, I can notice that there are level that was broken. Price broke below this daily support, level, close below, and there is a range below here, which price can likely retest if this candle flip bearish. And we have about 60, 55, 57 pip range to the downside. So if I'm looking for any opportunities on GJ right now, I have to scale down to much lower time frame and see how I can grab some opportunities. So on the 4 hours, I have to adjust the 4 hour support to this level here, which is let's adjust it a bit lower a bit. So this way I have my 4 hour support. Hold on, guys. Okay. This is where I have my 4 hour support on GJ. So this is what I'm looking at on GJ. My 4 hour support is around here. And if I scale to the 1 hour time frame, price is expected at high, failed to break above the high, and now it's trying to push to the downside. So I have to mark up my resistance. This is a resistance level price has also created for us. If I go to the 30 minutes time frame, I can also see that we have a support on 30 minutes, which means that price might well be coming up to. So you can see on our left, this price, when price retested and price dumps, that could be a similar occurrence that price wants to do on a much lower time frame. So this is 30 minutes. I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle. If you can see a bearish closure below on 15 minutes as well, like bearish price pulling bearish like this below the structure, and you can spin the next time to test the level and you can look to sell or to flip of the candle. So this is something that I can also anticipate on GJ. If I see that I like to go in for short on GJ, so this is something else we are being careful and watching closely on GJ. So that's just basically it. So that being said, let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold and see what's going on. We just wait, just 4 more minutes. So a lot of things can happen in 4 minutes. So let's just go back to gold and we will check GJ in a bit. Know what's going on. Let's see. We have just 4 minutes to the end of the candle. We'll know exactly what we're going to do in the next 4 minutes. And thank you guys. Thank you for the 300 sub. We just quickly hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys for the love and support. We're waiting, guys. 4 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Nothing actually going on right now. But we're waiting to see what happens in this candle. That just basically. Price is pushing upwards, guys. You can see price is pushing. So I don't think we're going to get the closure we need. I don't think we're going to get close price closing above the range. But regardless, we just have to wait for the next 15 minutes to see what price close or how close price close. If price moves too bullish and means the move, that's fine. We'll wait for something else. So even DJ as well, DJ didn't close the way I want to close. Probably wants to start going upward. I don't know. We'll wait for candles to see how they print out. But for buys has to be like somewhere above here for GJ. So also look. Let's also let's also go look at let's go back to gold. Let's see how gold close. So gold has little to no top width. but that's not an issue. So waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys. If you're tuning in, just give us a like, guys. So basically the 1 hour candle has closed, and let's do this. I see in the range. Let me adjust this a bit. So the 1 hour candle has closed, so we're seeing the range, and the 30 minutes the same thing, 4 hours the same thing as well. So there's nothing to see here. You just have to wait for some closures above the structure. The 4 hours are also broken above the previous 4 hours, so which is good. This is actually good. So let's just wait and see how the candles form. Then we know what we're going to do. So we're going to wait for the next 15. This can actually flip and push up, but we have to wait for closures above, because this is, first of all, this is Monday, the start of a new week, even the start of a new month. So we can just jump and start trading anyhow. We have to actually see what the month has for us. You have to see how the month wants to respond to the candle, how it moves. Is it impulsive? Is it slow? Let us know. This is August, so let's take our time and observe. Yeah, let's take a time. Let's take a time and observe. So let's wait for the next 15 minutes to see exactly what price has in stock for us. Then we know exactly what we're going to do. But for now, we wait and let us take a quick look at GJ as well. So GJ is looking like it's bullish. Projected up that level. The 30 minutes is about to break the 30 minute high. So but bullish, but see on the range. So let's just wait and see what's how it goes. So we know what we're going to do. You can see DJ is pushing up right now, which is see okay, not bad. And gold, let's pay attention to gold. What's gold doing? It's in the range. So let's just wait. Waiting, guys. Mind you, today is Monday again, so we don't want to go and start doing too much on the Monday morning. We don't want to do that. So let's take our time and let's shoot. Let's take our time and let's shoot. Wow. So DJ is already trying to break the high. He actually pushed up. He hasn't broken above his daily high. That's nice. Let's see how this goes. We have about we have about we have about 7 minutes. So let's see how it goes. So waiting guys, let's wait. If you have any question, you can just drop it in the chat. Or if you are in yeah, if you're currently streaming right now with me, just comment W, let me know that I have some viewers viewing. Just comment W. W's in the chat guys. W's in the chat. Yay, there we go. So how was your week, guys? How was your week? Hope you guys share your hope you guys made some money this last week. Like basically last week or your weekend. How was your weekend? What did you do? I'm looking at the chat and normally I would like start looking for opportunities to go for shorts. Like normally I'll look for opportunities. So I want to just change you guys' perspective of what's going on right now. Normally I will be looking for short right now below this structure, like price closing below here, bridge below here. Then I'll start looking for price to reject to the upside. Then the flip of the candle. Then I'll start looking for shorts. Then start trading this range. But I'm not doing that. This is Monday. And mind you, again, this both candle have no topic. So this might just be price creating some structure for price to actually start pushing back up with the next 15 minutes candle. So just stay off this. You get stay off this and let us wait for price to break above the area, then we can look to push a trade. So 3 more minutes for the candle to end. What is TJ doing? DJ still in the range. Three more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. Price is rejecting a bit, so let's see. Let's see what's going on. So you can see gold is actually rejecting that area. Just rejecting currently. Rejecting, which is good and not good at the same time. Which is good and not good at the same time because I'll be tempted to want to place a buy stop above my range here if price closes like this. But I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do, I'm really going to wait instead. For me to place a buy stop, if you do it close like weak bull, like weak bearish, probably have to place on high first, then push back down. Then the price break the high again, then I'll go to place a buy stop there. But for now, there's nothing going on. So I have to just wait. Like I said, let me tell myself. So I'm telling you guys too. Today is Monday, so I have to just wait. So what will happen if this price closes like this, and the next 15 minutes have a bullish closure above the range? Please don't mind my drawing. Like this, then we can look for bullish continuation to the upside. Then we can look to buy the price for price to keep going up. So this is what we should be looking for right now. So, 3 more seconds to the end of the candle. So let's quickly look at GG. So GG did not do anything. Guys, GG did not do anything. Why for gold? We're going back to gold. We're still playing around, so we're just seeing the range. I'm seeing the range, guys. You're seeing the range. But yeah, we're looking we're active. But as I'm active, I still don't stay too long in the chat, so I don't get tempted to close. You understand? So let's watch the paper. Let's watch the paper a while. Alright guys, gold is rejecting this level massively. You can see it has broken below this broken below this low and it's pushing down now. So there's nothing we can actually do but to wait. Just wait and see what price does. Let me look at the 5 minutes. Even GG as well is pushing downwards. So we're waiting guys, we're waiting. We're waiting. So it's Monday, so I will likely jump out of the trade early. Like jump on the chat early. Or obviously I'll be back NY. So I'll be back NY today. We're gonna trade NY today. So if we don't get any opportunities, we don't get any clear opportunities, then we'll try again NY and see if we'll get something good. So you can see gold is dropping massively right now. So and it still has no top wick. This boat candle has no top wick and it just moves to the downside. The 4 hours is flipping bearish back bearish. So anyways, let's wait. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, there's actually nothing can be done here. Like there's nothing that can be done. So I'm waiting a bit, then I'll know if I want to get this quality section. I'll come back later. If funny enough, we did 5 minutes structure, break of structure here, price retesting, pulling back down. It's 20 pips surplus, 18 pips, approximately at 16. So you can most likely use 20. Anyways, that is that's what we're working with right now. So let's go. Look at the G is doing, G is pushing down, GJ is pushing down as well. So gold is also pushing down. That's it. Okay, guys. I'm seeing something, and I feel like this can also happen again. Now, if you notice, this candle does not have. If you notice, guys, this candle has no bottom weight as well. So I feel like price can actually still close very below. I don't know, but something that can happen. Close very below the structure, and the next candle can go back a bullish close back into the core gold. This is something that can occur, but this is something that I can still consider entering. So, but let's wait. Let us wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, the candle has closed, guys. Candle has closed, and you can see it's closed right at the level of support. So now price is pushing downwards. The 4 hours is breaking. Okay, so no, yet, not yet. 1 hour. Okay, okay. Anyways, let's just wait. Let's see how the candle close. It's retesting this level now, and it has no topic as well. So it's testing this level. It has fallen about 100 people at this point. So let's see how this candle close. So all we're waiting for is closure. And if we get the closure we need, then we can look to replace the trade. And for now, there's nothing going on there. So in next 15 minutes, next 15 or the next 30 minutes, I'll be closing the stream, ending the stream. So let's just see how that goes. Then we also look at the let's see GJ. How did GJ close? Indecisive, trying to push up. Okay, nothing's going on. Anyway, let's wait for gold. Wait for gold to close. This might even be a double bottom or something, but we can't do any impulsive entry. We have to actually wait for candles to close. Then we try right now. So that's what we're waiting for. Waiting, guys. We're waiting. 8 more minutes, guys. 8 more minutes. Okay, look at GJ quickly. Let's see how GJ is closing. Let's see how GJ is closing, guys. So GJ is having that bullish push, pushing upwards right now. So we also have, let's wait 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes, guys.
Spotify Premium is the best way to upgrade your listening experience.
I think I might give this gold the opportunity for longs. If this price just goes above this level here. But let's wait. We have 2 more minutes. I think I'll give it a continue. I think I'll give it a try. Yeah, looks a bit of a profit. But we need like a retest. We need like a retest. I think I'll give that a try. But let's wait. Let's see how price goes. We have 2 more minutes. How more money, guys? How more money, guys? So let's hold on. Let's see how the candle close. Then I'll wait for like price to test. Just small test. Then I can think I'll just buy. I think I'll buy it. But I think price just came here to create a double a bottom weight for this candle for it to likely push up. So let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see how it goes. So we know how I want to do. So price has closed right now. It has closed. So I think I'll place a buy stop above this level now. I think I'll place a buy stop here. Or should I just wait for the close of the 30 minutes? I'll just wait. Because it's getting this level too. You can see this level. The 5 minutes is showing me otherwise. So I think I will fuck. I think I also wait for think we have to wait. Let's wait for the close. Let's wait for the 50 minutes to close. I think it's going to be a bearish. If this 50 minutes close, bearish candle closing below the structure, then we can sell. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Let's wait for 15 minutes, guys. Let's wait for the 15. So DJ closed above, but it seems like it has good topic as well. So we just have to wait. So like everything, we just have to wait till the end of the candle. Yeah, we know if we're going to place any trade or not. Your goal is looking like it can actually play out if it flips bullish. Let's see. 5 more minutes, guys. Five more minutes, guys. So let's see if it's 5 minutes. Let me show you something in 5 minutes. So let's see if it's 5 minutes can close above here. Okay. But anyways, I'll be ending the stream now. So see you guys NY. So this is how I'm ending the stream. We'll see you guys later. Peace and love.